Powered on your Anbernic Rg35xx, only to be greeted by a blank display. A black screen can be worrying, especially when the device seems to turn on, but nothing appears. The good news is that this issue is often caused by temporary software glitches, battery problems, or SD card errors rather than a failed screen. In many situations, an Anbernic RG35XX black screen problem can be resolved without replacing the handheld. Before assuming the console is damaged or changing random settings, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore normal startup operation. 1. Connect the RG35XX to its charger and allow the battery to charge for several minutes. 2. Hold the power button for an extended period to force the device to shut down completely. 3. Remove and reinsert the micro SD card to ensure it is seated properly. 4. Turn the console back on and wait patiently for the startup process to complete. 5. Verify that the display lights up and that games and menus appear normally.